what is password management and why does what part of security is password management? So why does it matter? Why does password security matter? And really, it's the foundation of cyber defense. It's protecting your systems from unauthorized access. The combination of username and password plus hopefully a multi-factor authentication is really the lock and key to your entire organization. It also protects sensitive information, getting into cloud data, critical business data, client information, financial records, things like that. They used a combination of his name and guessed the password. Um, and that led to a ransomware attack on their systems. And that's why, we were brought in is, all their data was encrypted. And luckily, we were able to get them back up and running because the ransomware didn't get their backups. But there was weeks of downtime after we came in, we replaced all their equipment. Because after a ransomware attack like that, you have to basically restore from scratch because you're not, fully aware of, where the attack came into. What I thought was interesting is that ransomware, which gets a lot of news, is in the bottom of the total losses. Now, uh, ransomware may be a result of these other items, but certainly from a dollar figure, we're seeing a reduction in the number of incidents of ransomware and a dramatic increase still in those other three categories: business email compromise, tech support, and personal data breach, which are all encompassing a part of password management and account management. So if one of the sites gets compromised and all their passwords are leaked, they will use those usernames and passwords to attack other sites. So let's say you have this great password, it's 25 characters long, it uses letters, numbers, symbols, everything else, and you use it to log into LinkedIn, which was compromised a few years ago. But you also use it for your Microsoft 365 login. And so what they'll do is they'll say, well, the same username and password that's used in LinkedIn, we'll try to use that to attack other sites. And that's often successful by these hackers. So you want to use a unique password for every site. I would say that it would be better to use less complex passwords and have a unique password on every site than have the same very complex password that you use for every location.
Don't wait until it's too late. Register now to watch our full presentation and download your free report on essential password management strategies.